Welcome to today's episode where I'll be showing you how to make your cabbage yummy. Here are the ingredients that you need. 1 cabbage, ghee, 1 onion, 1 lemon, salt, and black pepper. We're going to start by chopping our onions into small cubes. Let's get right into the cooking. So light up your cooker, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and let your oil heat up. Go ahead and add your onions and let them cook until they brown. It is at this point where I add my salt, but you can add it later on. I then reduce my heat to medium. Get your finely chopped cabbage because it is time for us now to add the cabbage into the well-cooked onions. Stir well, then add a teaspoon of black pepper. Then squeeze in all the juice from the lemon because this is the secret to making your cabbage really yummy. Mix everything up well and simmer for 2 minutes. And there we have it, our cabbage is done. Very yummy and savory. You will never get bored of eating this cabbage. Enjoy eating your cabbage because it is packed with vitamin C and aids in digestion. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Kindly give it a thumbs up and I'll see you on the next one.